This is how most people clean their gutters. They put the ladder close to the house. They simply pick up and toss out the debris. And that's great, except you have to continuously move your ladder down the house. Now you can extend the reach using a leaf blower, but you still have to move the ladder pretty frequently. So I'm going to show you a way to extend the reach even further using a length of plastic downspout. I took a pair of snips and I cut the end and pinched it closed with some duct tape just to create a little more power and pressure at the end. And now you just take the leaf blower, slip it in the end of the downspout, and look at that, 10-foot wand. Now you're going to turn it on and blow out the debris. How do you like that? In just a few seconds, I was able to blow out 8 to 10 feet of gutter, and now I just have to move my ladder maybe once, and I could do the entire house.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.